Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 6, rounding of estimation. So last class we were doing exercise 6C. Next question, estimate the product. So first A 33 into 17. So here you need to find the product after rounding of the numbers. Okay, so first question 33 into 17. So here while finding the product of numbers, we round off each factor, that is round off each number to its greatest place value and multiply. Okay, then we multiply. Okay, so each factor, here it is 33 and 17. We round off each factor to their greatest place value. So 33 is round off to its greatest place value, and 17 is rounded off to its greatest place value. So you know what is greatest place value, how to find that. In 33, ones place digit, tens place digit. So greatest place value of greatest place value of 33 it is tens place. Okay, so 33 is rounded off to nearest to 10, and we know that it is 30. Okay, now 17 also the greatest place value is here. 17 has ones place, tens place. So greatest place value in 17 is tens. Okay, so 17 is also rounded off to nearest to 10. So we will get 20. Okay, so now you can find 30 into 20, and we know that it is 600. You can find it easily. 3 into 2, you know 6. Now 2 zeros are there, so put 2 zeros. Okay, 600 is the product. B question 88 into 21. Now here also we have to round off each factor to their greatest place value. So 88 and 21 is rounded off to its greatest place value. So let's check 88. So 88 has ones place digit, tens place digit. So greatest place value of 88 is 10. Okay, now here 21, ones place digit, tens place digit. So greatest place value of 21 is 10. Okay, so 88 is rounded off to its nearest 10. That we know 90. Okay, now 21 is rounded off to nearest 10. So what we will get 20. Okay, now multiplying 90 into 20, what we will get 9 into 2 is 18. Now 2 zeros are there, so 1800 is the answer. Okay, now see 178 into 4. So in order to find the product, we are rounding off both the numbers to its greatest place value. Okay, so 178 is rounded off to its greatest place value. So here ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So we can count up to hundreds place. So 178 is rounded off to nearest hundreds. Greatest place value of 178 is 100. So 178 on rounding off to nearest 100, we will get 200. Okay, now here 4 is a one digit number, so no need to round off 4. Okay, you can write 4 itself. Now 200 multiplied by 4, 200 into 4, we will get 800. So that is the answer. Okay, next E 2124 into 112. So 2124 and 112, we are rounding off to its greatest place value. Okay, so on rounding off 2124 to its greatest place value, what we will get? Here 2124 has ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. So greatest place value of 2124 it is 1000. So we are rounding off 2124 to its nearest 1000. So what we will get? It is 2000. Okay, you know how to round off to nearest 1000. Okay, now next 112 is rounding off to its greatest place value. So find the greatest place value of 112. What we will get? Here ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So 112 is rounded off to its nearest hundreds. Okay, so 112 on rounding off to nearest 100, we will get 100. Okay, so what we will get the product? 2 into 1, 2. Now how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So put 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 2 lakh. So 2 lakh is the answer. Now there is another method or another answer for this question. 2124 you can round it off to nearest 100. Okay, now 112 also you can round it off to its nearest 100. So you will get 2124 on rounding off to nearest 100, you will get 2100. Okay, into 112 on rounding off to 100, you will get 100. So on multiplying, what you will get? 21 into 1, 21. Now 4 zeros. So you will get 2,10,000 as answer. Okay, both answers are correct. You can choose any, but if it is specified rounding off to nearest 1000, you have to write 1000 and then 112 to 100. Okay, like that it is given. You can write this answer. If it is given rounding off to nearest hundreds, you have to write this answer. Okay. Fourth question, choose the best answer from the answers given in the brackets. So A, 242 plus 406. So here in bracket 3 answers are given, 500, 600, 700. So which is the best answer that you need to find here? So 242 plus 406, you know how to estimate the sum. Okay, so 242 and 406, they have same number of digits. These numbers have same number of digits, that is both are 3-digit number. So we can round off to their greatest place value. Okay, so 242, what is the greatest place value of 242? We can find by counting. So ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So 242, the greatest place value, it is 100. Okay, now 406, ones place, 100, tens place, hundreds place. So 406, also the greatest place value, it is 100. So both 242 and 406 can be rounded off to their nearest hundreds. Okay, so 242 on rounding off to nearest 100, what we will get? We will get 200. Okay, 242 rounding off to nearest 100, it will be 200. Now 406 on rounding off to nearest 100, it will be 400. So on adding, what we will get? 200 plus 400, we will get 600, which is there in the bracket. Okay, so answer is 600. You can write here 200 plus 400 equal to 600. Okay. Next B, 2415 plus 1076 plus 3662. So here 4-digit numbers are given. You need to estimate the sum. Okay, so you can either round off all these numbers to their nearest hundreds, or you can round off the numbers to their greatest place value. That is, here the greatest place value, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So you can count up to thousands place digit. Okay, so greatest place value will be 1000. So either you can round off these numbers to their nearest hundreds, or you can round off these numbers to their nearest thousands. Okay, that is greatest place value. So we can check one by one. 2415. on rounding off to nearest hundreds, it will be 2400. Okay, next 1076 on rounding off to nearest 100, what you will get? 1100. Okay, then 3662 on rounding off to nearest hundreds, what you will get? 3700. Now adding, what you will get? 0 0. 718, 8 plus 4 12. Okay, now 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7200. But in bracket 7200 is not given. Okay, now you can round off to nearest thousands. Let's check. 2415 to nearest thousands, rounding off this to nearest thousand, what you will get? 2000. Okay, next 1076 on rounding off this to nearest thousand, what you will get? 1000. Okay, then 3662 on rounding off to nearest thousand, you will get 4000. Okay, now adding, what you will get? 0 0 0, then 415 527. We got 7000. Okay, so 7000 is here given. So the best answer is 7000. How you will get 2000 plus 2415, 1076, 3662 are rounded off to nearest 1000. So what you will get? 2000 plus 1000 plus 4000. You will get 7000 as answer. Okay, next see 4745 minus 1828. Now here also we can do the same. 4745 and 1828 can be rounded off to their greatest place value. Okay, so 4745 has ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So greatest place value is 1000. So 4745 on rounding off to nearest 1000, what you will get? 5000 minus 1828 on rounding off to nearest 1000, what you will get? You will get 2000. Okay, so 5000 minus 2000, it is 3000. So in the bracket 3000 is given. So the answer is 3000. D 9412 minus 6840. So here 4-digit numbers are given. So you can round off the numbers to their greatest place value. Okay, so 9412, this is ones place, tens place, hundreds, thousands. So we can count up to thousands. So greatest place value, it is thousands. Okay, so 9412 on rounding off to nearest 1000, what we will get? We will get 9000. Okay, similarly 6840, here it is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So greatest place value is again thousands. So 6840 we can round it off to nearest thousands. Okay, so what we will get? We will get 7000. Okay, 7000. Now you can subtract 9000 minus 7000, you will get 2000. So here 2000 is there in the bracket, so that is the correct answer. Okay, next E 878 into 98. So here you need to find the product. So while finding product, we need to round off both the factors, or round off each factors or numbers to its greatest place value. Okay, so 878, what is its greatest place value? We can see ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So greatest place value of 878 is 100. Okay, now 98, ones place, tens place. So greatest place value of 98 is tens. Okay, tens place. Now 878 we can round it off to nearest 100, and 98 we can round it off to nearest tens. So what we will get, 878 to its nearest 100, it is 900. Okay, into 98 on rounding off to nearest tens, what we will get? We will get 100. Okay, so 900 into 100, we will get 90,000. Okay, so 90,000 is there in the bracket. So that is the answer. Next, F, 2488 into 80. Now 2488, what is its greatest place value? Here there is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So we can count up to 1000. So greatest place value is 1000. Okay. Now 18, ones place, tens place. So greatest place value of 18, it is tens. Okay. Now 2488 on rounding off to nearest thousands, it will be 2000 into, now 18 on rounding off to nearest tens, what we will get? 20. Okay, so 2000 into 20, you will get 40,000. So 40,000 is here. In the bracket it is given, so that is the answer. Okay. Now today's homework, exercise 6C, third question, fourth one, and D and F. Do as homework. Okay. So this much for this class. Thank you.